Search engines might see www and non-www versions of a website as separate websites. This was a major issue many websites used to face in the past. This can happen even now unless you handle it. www.happydreams.com, www.happydreams.index.php, happydreams.com, and happydreams.com/index.php could all have been seen as distinct pages by the search engines. If you were to type in these URLs into your browser's address bar and they all come up as different pages, then search engines will most likely see these as different pages as well. Needless to say, this will cause serious duplicate content issues if this were to happen. Google will see the exact same content on all of the pages and treat all of the pages as duplicate content, and the site may suffer because of it. Most people who are just getting started with building websites do not know about this issue, and their sites will not rank as well as they otherwise would because they did not handle this right. If www.happydreams.com had 10 links, www.happydreams.com/index.php had 20 links, happydreams.com had 30 links, and happydreams/index.php had 40 links, the search engines will give credit to each of these URLs separately, and the website does not get credit for all of the 100 links pointing to it. You would not want this to happen, as this can seriously hurt your site in the SERPs. This can be handled in a couple of ways. You can use a 301 redirect to redirect the non-www version to the www version, or vice versa, depending on which version you want to use, or you can specify the canonical URL. Canonicalization tells the search engines which version of the URL they should treat as the original source or which URL they should give credit to. You can specify the canonical URL by using the rel = canonical HTML tag. In our case, we can force the search engines to choose www.happydreams.com by using the following piece of HTML code. WordPress makes it very easy to do this, and we do not actually have to edit the HTML. This is one of the things we specified while configuring WordPress. If you go to Settings, General Settings, you see these two text boxes here, WordPress address and site address. We specified both as http://www.happydreams.com. Suppose we did not want the www to be included in the URL. We could have specified the URL as http://happydreams.com. If we save changes, you will need to log in again. If you view the website now, you can see the URL does not have the www in it. We'll put the www back in the URL. Let's save changes. We will need to log in again. If we now refresh this page, you'll see the www is appearing again. This is where we are specifying the canonical URL. If we view the page source, if you scroll down, you can see the canonical URL is specified here.